Hello dear students, welcome to your online classes. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School which is situated in Golabazar, Gorakhpur. Dear student, in today's video I am going to explain the exercises of poem that we have already learned in my previous video. So dear student, for that you all take out your new Jams English Literature book and open this beautiful poem that is Miss Polly that we have already learned. So one more time we're going to learn this given poem. So student, you all start reading with me. So this poem is Miss Polly. In this poem we have to learn about that how could a little girl take care of her dolly. Okay student, so let's read the poem. We're going to recite this poem again. So Miss Polly had a dolly. Every student put finger on your book. Miss Polly had a dolly who was sick, sick, sick. Miss Polly had a dolly who was sick, sick, sick. So she called for the doctor to come quick, quick, quick. So she called for the doctor to come quick, quick, quick. The doctor came with her bag and her hat. The doctor came with her bag and her hat. And she knocked on the door. And she knocked on the door with a rat-tat-tat. She looked at the dolly. She looked at the dolly, then she shook her head. She looked at the dolly, then she shook her head. And she said, Miss Polly, put her straight to bed. And she said, Miss Polly, put her straight to bed. One more time, we're going to recite. Miss Polly had a dolly who was sick, sick, sick. So she called for the doctor to come quick, quick, quick. The doctor came with her bag and her hat, and she knocked on the door with a rat-tat-tat. She looked at the dolly, then she shook her head, and she said, Miss Polly, put her straight to bed. Okay, student? So you have to learn, and after that write this beautiful poem in your notebook. Now moving to the exercise, that is exercise A. In exercise A, you have to write the answer this question, answer of this given question. So student, there is a 3 question. First is what did Miss Polly have? Second is who did Miss Polly call for? Third is what did the doctor come with? Okay, so dear student, you all take out your notebook and mention date of today and start the writing of this question answer. So dear student, you have to, first of all, you have to mention date of today, and after that you have to write the name of this poem, that is Miss Polly, and after that you have to write exercise A, answer this question. Exercise A, answer this question. So here is the first question is, what did Miss Polly have? So we all know that Miss Polly had a dolly. So we have to write the answer. Miss Polly had a dolly. What is the spelling of dolly? The spelling of dolly is D-O-L-L-Y, dolly. Okay, Miss Polly had a dolly. So the answer will be Miss Polly had a dolly. Now moving to the next question, that is who did Miss Polly call for? Who did Miss Polly call for? So student, the answer will be Miss Polly called for the doctor when her dolly falls sick. So she called for the doctor. Miss Polly called for the doctor. Student, what the spelling of doctor? D-O-C-T-O-R, doctor. D-O-C-T-O-R, doctor. Okay. Now moving to the next question, that is question number 3. What did the doctor come with? What did the doctor come with? So we all know the doctor came with her bag and her hat. The doctor came with her bag and her hat. Okay students, so like this we have to write this question answer of exercise A. Now we moving to the next exercise that is given on book. Next exercise that is given in book, that is exercise B. So student, in this exercise read aloud with your teacher. So dear student, we going to read this given word. Okay, so you all repeat after me. Okay, so first is, there is spelling of book. What is spelling of book? B-O-O-K, book. Repeat after me. B-O-O-K, book. S-O-O-K, hook. L-O-O-K, look. Next is N-O-O-K, nook. After that T-O-O-K, took. So the words are book, hook, look, nook, took. Okay. Now the next letter is O-A. First letter is double O. So we have to learn the words of double O. Now the next letter is O-A. So let's learn the words of O-A. So first word is call. C-O-A-L, call. F-O-A-L, fall. F-O-A-M, form. G-O-A-T, got. R-O-A-D, road. Okay, so the words are call, fall, form, got, road. Okay, now the next letter is next is EA. So we're going to learn the words of EA. So there is a B-E-A-D, bead. B-E-A-T, bead. First is bead, second is bead. C-R-E-A-M, cream. C-R-E-A-M, cream. And E-A-T, need. S-E-A-T, seed. So the words are bead, bead, cream, meat and seed. One more time we're going to read this given word. First word is book, hook, look, nook, took. And the spellings are B-O-O-K, book, S-O-O-K, hook, L-O-O-K, look, N-O-O-K, nook, T-O-O-K, took. Now the next stage, C-O-A-L, coal, F-O-A-L, foal, F-O-A-M, foam, G-O-A-T, goat, R-O-A-D, road. Coal, foal, foam, goat, road. Now the next stage, B-E-A-D, bed, B-E-A-D, bead, B-E-A-T, bead, C-R-E-A-M, cream, and E-A-T, need, S-C-A-T, seed. So student, one more time, we're going to read this given word, bead, beat, cream, knit, seed. So like this you have to read and learn the given word. Okay, now there is a next exercise, is exercise C. So what will we do in this exercise? So student, you have to draw this given picture in your notebook and also match with the given name of person. Okay, name of people. So in exercise C, there is a match the name of people with their things. So firstly you have to write the name of people, and after that you have to draw the pictures of things that used by this given name of person. So first of all, there is a doctor. So we have to match doctor with their things. So what does doctor use? Do you know that? Yes. So we have to match with their things that is given in this picture. So firstly we have to draw the picture, and after that we have to match. Okay, now the next stage, next people is gardener. So firstly we have to draw the picture of things that used by gardener, and after that we have to match with the given things. Okay, now the third person is tailor. So we have to match with the things that is used by tailor. Now the next stage, painter. So we have to match with the given correct things. Now the next last one is farmer. So we have to match with their things that used by farmer. So dear student, tell me what's the spelling of this given people. Firstly, tell me what's the spelling of doctor. What's the spelling of doctor? So the spelling of doctor is D-O-C-T-O-R, doctor. D-O-C-T-O-R, doctor. Second people is gardener. G-A-R-D-E-N-E-R, gardener. Third is tailor. T-A-I-L-O-R, tailor. Next is painter. P-A-I-N-T-E-R, painter. P-A-I-N-T-E-R, painter. And after that fourth is farmer. F-A-R-M-A-R, farmer. Okay student. So like this you have to write the name of peoples, and after that you have to draw the things that used by these people, and you have to make with their things. Okay, you have to match the given name of peoples with their things. Okay student, so like this you have to complete these exercises in your notebook. I hope is that clear to you that how could you write this given exercise A, and after that you have to read and learn this given word, and after that you have to draw the given picture and you have to match with their peoples. Okay, so student, that's it for today. I hope is that clear to you, and your homework is you have to write this given exercise A in your notebook with a good handwriting. Student, your handwriting should be neat and clean, and after that you have to learn this given word, and you also do the exercise C. Okay, so that's it for today. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep watching my video. Thank you.